Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you felt truly threatened, like someone was about to cause you harm, even if they never actually laid a hand on you? That intense feeling of impending danger and immediate fear can be a deeply unsettling and frightening experience, leaving a lasting impact. In the legal system, especially concerning an assault charge, legal apprehension refers to the victim's reasonable belief or fear that they are about to experience immediate harmful or offensive physical contact. It is a critical component that establishes an assault without requiring any actual physical touching or injury to occur. This concept is absolutely foundational because it highlights that an assault is not solely about physical contact, but fundamentally about the perception of a threat. The law specifically focuses on the victim's reasonable perception of that danger. For a court to determine if legal apprehension existed, the fear must be one that a reasonable person in similar circumstances would also genuinely experience. This objective standard prevents claims based purely on irrational or extreme personal sensitivities. Furthermore, the individual accused of assault must have acted with a specific intent, either to cause that fear in the victim or to cause the physical contact itself. This crucial element of intent, combined with the reasonable apprehension, is what distinctly separates assault from battery. Battery, in contrast, always involves the actual, unauthorized physical touching or striking of another person, even if it is minor. So, understanding legal apprehension has significant practical implications. If you find yourself accused of assault, it is vital to recognize that your words, your body language, your gestures, and even your physical proximity to another individual can be interpreted as a threat, even without any physical contact. When evaluating such a situation, a court will meticulously examine all the surrounding circumstances. This includes what was explicitly said, the tone and manner in which it was communicated, the relative physical positions of the individuals involved, and, importantly, the apparent ability of the accused to carry out the perceived threat. It is all about the immediate perceived danger and whether the accused had the means to act on it. Here is a key insight that legal professionals often emphasize. The imminence of the threat is a paramount factor. The perceived harm must feel immediate and impending, not some vague possibility for off in the future. For example, a threat made over the phone about something that will happen next week typically would not constitute immediate apprehension for an assault charge, whereas someone raising a fist and stepping towards you would. This specific legal concept of apprehension is thoughtfully designed to protect individuals not only from physical violence but also from the psychological distress and vulnerability caused by credible threats of direct bodily harm. It allows the legal system to intervene and hold individuals accountable for threatening behaviors even before physical violence occurs. Ultimately, legal apprehension powerfully underscores that an assault is primarily defined by the reasonable perception of an immediate threat and the fear it instills, rather than solely by the occurrence of physical injury. This vital distinction is fundamental for protecting people from intimidating and menacing behaviors, ensuring that both the intent to threaten and the potential for harm are recognized and addressed by our legal system. It provides a crucial layer of personal safety and contributes significantly to maintaining public peace.